Hey, what is up guys, John from Magic Tech Review, and in today's video we're going to go ahead and unlock the LG Harmony 2 from Cricket Wireless to any GSM carrier. So go ahead and leave a like on the video if you enjoyed the content. Go ahead and subscribe to become part of the Magic Tech Review family, and comment down below if you're going to unlock this phone or any other phones on any other carriers. Let's go ahead and get right into it. First step in this process is going to be to go ahead and get your IMEI number, so you can go ahead and put this into the unlockingcompany.com's website. So here is your IMEI number. You're going to hit *#06#. That is the magic sequence, and there is your IMEI code. Go ahead and write that down. Well, this is not your IMEI code, but whatever you hit is going to be your IMEI code. That's how you find it. Alright, let's go ahead and get into the next step. The next step in the process is you're going to go to the unlockingcompany.com. As you can see, they have a phone number right there, or an email, just in case anything happens. They do have a money back guarantee on their product. So shout out to the unlockingcompany.com for sponsoring this video. What you're going to do here is you're going to select your manufacturer. You're going to select your maker model right here. They do have tons and tons of different unlocked models here. Since the LG Harmony 2 is so new, they do have it as the Harmony right here, but you can also select, if you do not see a particular model, as you can see it says Harmony, but there's no Harmony 2. What you can do is go up here and select any model. So now you just go ahead and hit the unlock button, unlock now button, and we'll go ahead and get to the next step in the process. Next step in the process is you're going to select the country that you're coming from, or the country that you bought the phone from, and then you're going to go ahead and select what carrier it is locked to. So this is a Cricket model right here that I bought in the United States, obviously, and then it's going to give you the price right here. So it says unlock any LG model. Right here, you're going to go ahead and put in your phone's IMEI, the IMEI number that we found out through hitting *#06#, your full name right there, and your delivery email address. So right here it says that the average competitor's price is $28.99. You're going to save $15 today. So basically your price is going to be $14, and you're going to be waiting anywhere from 5 to 60 minutes. And as you can see here, it says 100% money back guarantee. McAfee and Norton secured, over 3 million phones unlocked, trusted US based company, all orders PayPal protected. And the link is in the description below, guys, to find the unlockingcompany.com. So let's go ahead and get to the next step once I get that email. See right here, it says SIM network unlock pin. So you're going to go ahead and get that unlock pin that you got in that email from the unlockingcompany.com, and you're going to go ahead and put that in there. So since I put in a foreign SIM basically and restarted my phone, my SIM does not, or my phone does not detect that it is Cricket Wireless anymore. It's a different SIM card, so that's where that comes from. So let's go ahead and put that code. Once you actually successfully put that pin in, you're going to get a SIM network unlock successful. Now I'll be able to use Mint SIM in there. I'll be able to use Metro PCS, T-Mobile, all different types of carriers, even better SIM, stuff like that, guys. So if you enjoyed the video, go ahead and leave a like on the video if you enjoyed the content, and subscribe. And yeah, so let me know, guys, which phone are you gonna unlock later on. Anyways, this has been John from Magic Tech Review. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Thanks for watching.